On the industrial side, you guys talk a lot about the advantage you have in your land bank and how you've got a very low cost base. So now we know industrial utilizes a lot more land than, say, putting up a purpose-built rental. Are you replenishing some of that land? How are you kind of looking at making sure that pipeline continues to be fairly robust?
Yeah, so over the last few years is when we actually acquired this development land. So we have an existing portfolio of about 18 million feet of industrial land, all at Choice's share. Over the last few years, we acquired about 500 acres of land, which give us that potential. So we're under construction of 2 million feet. We still have 5 million feet more incremental to build out. And then we have many sites that we can actually redevelop. So right now we're really focused on creating value in the existing land, which we believe we have a real competitive advantage from a cost point of view over others. And as we gain traction and as we utilize that land, so we'll look to potentially replenish it, but it's not right now on our radar screen.
So this is all this industrial development is all in Canada?
It's all in Canada. Choice is only focused in Canada. All the industrial development is Vancouver, a little bit in Alberta, and then primarily in the GTA.